Motorola is back it again. This is the Motorola Edge 50 Fusion, the phone that's trying to prove you don't need to spend flagship money to get flagship vibes. Let's see what's inside. It's incredibly slim at 7.9 mm and has an IP68 rating, which is rare for this price. That vegan leather back, flitch premium and grippy. Let's talk internals. We are looking at the Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 processor. For the screen is a stunning 6.7 inch, which is 144 Hz curved panel. It hits 1600 nits peak brightness, so directly sunlight is no problem at all. Well, on the camera wise, Moto went the 50 megapixel Sony LYTIA 700C sensor with OIS. Full reviews coming up next, so hit the subscribe button. Catch you in the next one.